UPSC 10th 12th results 2020. The result of Class 10 and Class 12 of Chhattisgarh Board have been declared today at 11 am. It has been released on the official website of the board. Board of Secondary Education Telangana has released Class 10th results. Students can check their result on the official website of the board. Due to the COVID-19, the Telangana government had cancelled the remaining papers of Class 10 and decided to pass all the students by giving them internal assessments, marks in the cancelled subject. Bihar Education Department had started the process of recruitment to the post of 94,000 teachers. The Education Department of Bihar has also issued in the notification. Online applications have been started from June 15 to July 14. For JEE and NEET students, Human Resource Development Minister presented the National Test Practice app on May 19, in which HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank said that keeping in mind the frequent requests of the students, the Hindi version of the app was also introduced. Through this app, students can also prepare JEE and NEET in Hindi. The process in Delhi University will be started after the end of all the board exams in Delhi. The process will run till July 4. At the same time, students of class 12 can fill the admission process forms of Delhi University. Secondary and Higher Secondary Education has extended the date of submission of the form for class 12 examination. The board has extended the date only for students of the science stream. Students can apply online on the official site of GSEB. As per official information, the last date to apply for the exam is till June 30, 2020. Priyanka Kumari of Madhuban Gandhi Chowk secured 101 rank in 63rd BPSC examination. Priyanka got success in BPSC exam with the support of social media. UGC has released revised guidelines of Prime Minister's Research Fellows in which the youth will get benefit. UGC has changed its guidelines. Under this, youth who have done PhD of 12 to 24 months will be able to apply for PMRF through lateral entry. The application process is going to start from July under the lateral entry. Admission will be given on the basis of interview. Madhya Pradesh Secondary Board result 2020 can be announced between June 22 to June 25. However, so far the board has not made any official announcement regarding the date. The declaration of the result was delayed due to the lockdown caused by the coronavirus. Vishwa Bharati University postponed all exams of 2020. On Monday, Vishwa Bharati University decided to postpone all exams until any further order due to COVID-19 pandemic.